What is going on, everybody? Raging Cajun back here again today. Today's video is the second part of moving day for loading the toolboxes on the back of the trailer. I'm going to show y'all the end result of what I did to protect my tools. It's a big investment, so you got to protect it any way possible. Sorry I didn't get a chance to load it yesterday, but we got kind of busy. So we had to get a winch and get everything else loaded up. So if y'all give me a minute, I'll get the camera turned around and we'll do a walk around. I'll be right back with you. Alright guys and gals, there is the end results. American flag on the back of the trailer. It's all tarped up, strapped in, ready to go. We did a little bit of traveling last night. There's the back of the Silverado. But all in all, it's not too shabby. Not too shabby at all. Anybody can do it. It don't take a rocket scientist to put a tarp on a trailer to help protect your tools or any precious cargo that you might have on that trailer. That is a industrial size tarp, industrial grade tarp. It's not one of the cheap flimsy ones. Almost guaranteed to keep my toolboxes dry if and when it rains. So, I mean, I will have other parts to let y'all know when the load has made it down to Tennessee. But there is the American flag. It's going to be draped on my trailer for the way down. I'm not going to show you the other tractor trailer, the main tractor trailer with everything else. But all in all, I am pleased with how this came out. Hang on, give me a second. I'm going to turn the camera back around to me and I'm going to finish this video up. Alrighty guys, well, y'all have seen the end product of tarping and putting your toolboxes on a trailer for travel. More parts to follow. We'll see what toolbox made it down to Tennessee without a scratch on it, and what the tools look like in the drawers after traveling almost 600 miles. I guess a day of travel, 600 miles equals to sometime in a mechanic shop, moving the drawers, moving your toolboxes around. So we'll see how the toolboxes fared. Other than that, that's all I got for this one. Remember, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and ring that bell, because you never know when the next one's coming out. Oh, on a side note, yes, I know I have a different hat on today. My better half kind of packed up my Snap-on hat in a box. It's in the back of the trailer. I don't know what box it was. I didn't realize until it was done. So I like wearing hats off. I just put this one on. But until next time, folks, keep those wheels spinning and your beavers grinning, and we'll catch you on the next one. Raging Cajun is out.